This is the continuation of a Lemonbuster's inspection of a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. You see here all our warning lights. We wait for them to go off. Chrysler airbag lights are notorious for staying out alongside. Notice all our gauges come up. Let's see, bonds there. We got about 74,000 miles on it right now. You see here we got our air conditioning. Changes over to heat. Blower could be a little bit quieter, but it works nonetheless. At this point, we're going to go ahead and turn on the radio for you.
After dark, people think I'm crazy.
See your FM works.
Windmill here.
Our AM.
And on my feet, shuffling to the street.
Reset buttons.
I want it. Sometime I want to say.
At this point, we'll hit the wipers for you so you can see those. Washer fluid. Horn. Alright, at this point we're going to do a little bit of 4x4 actuation here. 4x4 was definitely a little stiff when I went through it. Part time can be shifted into on the fly. You can see here, 4-wheel drive part time comes on. Now to actuate these into 4-wheel low, you're going to need to put it into neutral. Sometimes you'll need to let your foot off the brake and let it creep a little, something along those lines. It can be a little tough to get into 4-wheel low. So here we go. You can see it went right into 4-wheel low. See, we're in the low range right now. I'll go ahead and switch on our axle lock, which will only come on in 4-wheel drive low range. You see the rear locker comes on immediately, very quick. See, we'll go ahead and turn it on again for you. See that? Now to actuate the front locker, you press the button again. And it flashes until the locker is engaged. But if you notice, it keeps flashing. For whatever reason, there's something wrong with the front locker. It's not currently engaging. We're going to try a little bit more on the test drive to see if maybe, like if we're just rolling slightly, maybe the locker will decide to eventually engage. But as of right now, that's an issue. It could be an expensive repair too. It could be the entire locker itself. Could just be the electrical solenoid in there that allows the air to flow to the locker. Hard to say. At this point, we're going to go ahead and exit back out at 4-wheel low here. You can see we're back into high range now. The trans in park, down to 2-wheel drive. So at this point, you can also see you have your compass mirror here. As you can see, it works well. Your mirror lights come on and go off. It's auto dimming mirror. Your visors and whatnot here. So at this point, this is going to complete our inspection here. I'll also show you the locking rear here. Looks like this thing had a Smitty built inclinometer here, but I don't see it anywhere in the vehicle. Guessing the previous owner may have taken it with him. The neat little toy. So at this point, we are going to wrap up our inspection of the Jeep Rubicon.